then, talk about situation rate, creation ng talk about nga say kanang possible way nakatalk na kita about future action about climate change like kanina ko yan is kanang say bato na to it maka less decrease kita sa kanang sa greenhouse gas. Yes. Diba, makita ko niya ito kay as individual pwede sa in our home pwede sa kanang makapalit tao mag-less na tapos sa gawin kailan mag-succeed so the causes of climate change. Diba naman ito sa climate change, the power of climate change. So the primary driver of climate change is the emission of greenhouse gases. Let's tackle by yes. From human activities, primarily burning fossil fuels for energy, deforestation, and agriculture. These gases shall feed in the atmosphere, leading to a warmer effect. Fossil dependence are reliance on fossil fuels for electricity, transportation, industries, and major to greenhouse gas emissions. The burning of coal, oil, and natural gas is significant amounts of carbon dioxide emission. So, masa na yung hawak sa climate change na is katong magiging na greenhouse gases yes, global warming. And one said, kita ang general compliment as individual. Parang, sabihin mo nga, I'm not all of us kaya similar sa mga kanan. Dapat mo yung ato in order ng mga things sa kanan. We have a power to do something. But to the point na, sabihin mo nga, nagsimilar ka na, isa pa, kanay, to do rather than to sing, you need to action that to speak out and actions is rather than voice. Future actions more may natin buhaton sa future actions is more to buhaton dito o kung sa'y mabuhat na to na future. Diba? As individual, sa may as individual, sa may parliament, sa may buhaton para lang maka-save sa sarili. So may mga possible na buhaton na to, if they're to still learn. Levels to our causes like lasers and actually to the brightest level. So this part is gonna mostly yung mga causes is factory, smoke non-composed by factory, deforestation, and also extreme weather events of climate change increase the frequency of extreme weather events such as hurricanes, heat waves, droughts, and floods, leading to devastating consequences for human health, infrastructure, and agriculture. Also, they talk about biodiversity loss, the change in climate change, disrupting ecosystem leading to habitat loss, and species extinction. This loss of biodiversity reduces the balance of natural system and has cascading effects on the ecosystem with human well-being. Ako na example no sa forest thing, as a forest na tayo, we all know na namugitan kang oil into mga animals, but without people, in order to makaalat na kita, provide na kita sa family, makasagot kita, maka-provide na, but not to the point na, imo na nag-ikuha o ka na. Pero imo na lang yes, kaya kung para number imong sige mo i-ako. There is a back-up na dili sa pag-abot ko.
Kanang DOST. Kanang currently po na government. Sakay sa government i-fund ang government para guys sa research and development.
Yes.
Na wherein maka-discover sila o kanang something maka-contribute sa naso.
Yes, which is good, di ba? Next is private sector mobility. Attracting private sector business renewable energy, sustainable transportation, and green buildings in crucial. Governments can incentivize these buildings through tax rates, subsidies, and regulatory framework. Next is international cooperation to developing countries in financial and agricultural systems, countries to adapt to climate change and transition to sustainable climate finance, financing of the transfer. Stop the line. So the urgency of immediate and transformative changes. So 1.5 degrees limiting global warming to 1 Celsius is essential to avert catastrophic climate change impact. This requires immediate and implementing action from the whole stakeholders. 10 years, the next decade is crucial for taking consistent action to address climate change. We have limited window of opportunity to mitigate emissions and adapt to the climate change.